What's going on, everybody? It is Ian here with Millie Garage, and yes, your eyes do not deceive you. We did get more chickens, but that is actually not the exciting news that I have to share in this video. Yes, the chickens are exciting news, and it's kind of a funny story. I'll tell that real quick, and then I'll share the actual exciting news. So it was about, I guess, 3 weeks ago, roughly. Yes, that was Lauren and I's 10-year wedding anniversary. Yes, we made it, and so we were celebrating, and we noticed that one of our chickens was not feeling very well. She was coughing and just breathing really weird, and so we ended up going to Tractor Supply to get some medicine to help her out. And while we were there, we noticed that they had more chicks available for sale. So naturally, we had to buy 15 more because 10 wasn't enough. So we've now increased the size of our flock, and hopefully our older ones will be laying soon. So that's all exciting. But let's get to the real reason that I am sharing this video, and that is to tell you guys that it is finally happening. I am going to be going full time doing the Airstream stuff, Airstream and other stuff, and it is absolutely insane because it was just over a year ago that we had found out that we were having our fifth child, and we had the Airstream that was going to be ours, and we were renovating it to live in, and then we had a huge shift in direction in our life, and we were sitting there just going, what on earth are we going to do? We have this Airstream that we've spent all this money on, and now we have to pay for a baby, and like, what the heck? And so life was just a little bit uh, turned on its head at that point. And now to be a little over a year later, and to have just the amount of projects we have and some of the stuff that we have coming, and we have some other potential things that are absolutely insanely huge and amazing. That once they kind of take shape, we'll be talking about and stuff. But yes, I'm going to be doing this full time from home, which honestly has been a dream of Lauren and I's since we got married, to basically be like having our own businesses and working together and working from home. And so it's, it took us a little bit of time, took us 10 years, but we are finally doing it, and so excited. It's going to be amazing. And I have nobody more to thank than all of you on the YouTube channel that have been following and watching, and the people that have chosen to trust me with your trailers and all of this. Like, huge thank you to everyone for your support, for your encouragement, and really couldn't have done it without this channel. Like, I do not advertise anywhere else other than on here yet. We are building a website. We have some other stuff that we're going to be working on, but as of right now, it's been 100% either through YouTube or word of mouth or referrals. Maybe a little bit through social media. If you follow me on social, that I'm not spectacular at keeping up on there. But everything has been coming through here, and we are as of right now booked out through most of next year. We're continuing to get inquiries, so obviously reach out to us if you're interested. But we do have some other stuff that's kind of on the horizon as well that we'll be hopefully sharing about in a few weeks. So yeah, so it's super exciting. For those of you that don't know, I have been working at a Ford dealership, and I do photography, some marketing, media stuff, video creation, all that kind of stuff. And I've been there for 5 years, and it's been a fantastic job. Incredibly grateful for everybody there, and just for that opportunity. But it's one of those things where it's time to kind of move on and chase after my dream. And so I'm going to be posting this on Friday. It's Thursday, so then it's going to be a week from this Friday that you're watching it on, or that it's posted on, that I will be my last day at the dealership, and then launching into this thing full time. So just unbelievably excited. Really wanted to share with you guys. I know that those of you that have followed along on the journey, been really supportive, will be excited to hear. And I honestly did not think that it would happen this fast. And so to a degree, that's kind of why I haven't been as good about posting videos as much and being able to create content. I've gotten a lot of people that have been like asking for specific things in videos, and I am, you know, I just have so much going on right now between like transitioning, getting all of this set up, getting stuff organized, figuring out, the finances of everything, rolling my retirement, and there's so many things involved with this, and it's a huge task. And so that's kind of where my focus has been. But once I go full time with this, I'll be able to dedicate 100% of my focus and my effort on Miller Garage and all of this project. So expect to see more content, and to be honest, I really want to like up the production quality of everything, because that's something that I know and do is video production. And so to be able to bring that into the YouTube channel, so expect to see cool stuff there, and just a lot more. And yeah, so just again, thank you all so much. Really would not be here if it wasn't for everybody who's subscribed to the channel, who's supported, so just unbelievably grateful for all of that. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on social media. There will, be better activity there. And we will see you next time.